Okay, just for funsies, I'm doing another one, and I'm doing a real mix. So this is a neon green by Acrylic, and it has school glue. And this is a gold metallic, also by Acrylic. It has Floetrol. This is the leftover Tropical Blue Deco Art Crafters Acrylic, and it had Elmer's Glue All. This is a mix of these two colors, Purple Violet and Majestic Purple, and it also had Glue All. What else? I'm also gonna do, I'm kind of going for like maybe a weird galaxy thing. Metallic Silver by Artist Loft, Ready Mix Pouring Paint, Bright Blue, and Black. Those are all Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints. And then I'm going to do, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get more Floetrol. So this orange is also gonna have Floetrol. And the orange is Neon Orange by Acrylic. I don't think I'm really gonna care about how similar they are for the pouring mixtures, because I'm pouring the Artist Loft ones right out of the bottle. I don't have enough cups right now. I have to wash things, so I might do like a dirty pour. I've never done that. I think I want silver and gold on top. Okay, so I think for a dirty pour, you have to just like pour it quick. Right down the center. So it falls in. Like I said, I haven't actually done one of those before. Look at all those cells in the middle. So maybe the key is just mixing different paints. There's some really cool stuff happening in the middle here. Look at that. That is incredible looking. I don't know if you can see all of those colors. That's incredible. I love that so much. I thought the last one was my favorite, but now this one's my favorite. Oh, this cup looks neat too. So there's definitely something going on with mixing all those paints and all those mediums together.